This project is by far bigger than anything we have ever done.
The power of 10,000. 10,000 people coming together in one place. It's a big impact.
What we're trying to do here is give people back their dignity and their home.
It's a show of force that gives the community hope. That says, look, we are not forgotten.
I was in awe when I was approached by a member of your staff to actually paint the house. You know, you can never say thanks enough to people who are giving of their time to come in and help you.
I feel very blessed to have my house painted. I can't afford to have it painted, and I thank Starbucks.
I don't know how to explain it to you, but it was unbelievable when they called me. Now that I'm seeing it here, I don't know what to say. But without your help, I'd have a heart